नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे YouTube चैनल से। और आज सब लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे। Yes bank share jumps 3% ahead of Q3 result. Tomorrow here what investor can expect. Shares of Yes Bank gained momentum on Friday, January 16, rising as much as 2.9% intraday to hit a high of 23.62 on the BSE ahead of it is the December quarter Q3 financial year 2026 result. Schedule will be announcement tomorrow. The stock saw renewed investor interest and optimism over earnings recovery, extending its recent uptrends supported by healthy trading volume. Market participants are closely tracking the upcoming result, which street estimated pointed to a likely improvement in the bank profitable metrics both on a year and sequentially basis. Brokers from Kotak Institutional Equities Yes Bank expected to post a net interest income of 2,425 crore for Q3 financial year 2026, a growth of 9% over the previous quarter and 5% year-on-year. Pre-provision operating profit is estimated as 1,254 crore, reflecting a 16% YoY rise. However, the profit after tax is projected to decline marginally by 2% YoY to 601 crore, according to Kotak. Meanwhile, another brokerage firm JM Financial has a more optimistic views. It is estimated US Bank need an areas 2,486 crore, up 11.8% YoY and 8.1% sequentially. The brokerage also expected PPOF come in areas 1,403 crore, indicating a sharp 30% jump from the year ago period. Header PAT is projected at 775 crore, which would represent a strong 26.6% year-on-year growth and an 18.4% raise quarter-on-quarter. Yes Bank share have delivered a solid return of 28.76% over the past 1 year, highlighting the investor confidence stock on a year to date basis. The stock is a jumps 9.59%, reflecting a strong start to the current calendar year. Over the last 6 months, share have gained 16.35%, while the 3-month returns stand at a modest 1.86%, suggesting some consolidation in the recent week. In the past 1 month along, the stock has risen by 9.53%, indicating the positive momentum ahead of its upcoming quarterly earnings.